Here's a Nikon P1000 and the question is why the exposure compensation is not working when I rotate this ring on the front. If I rotate the dial to that movie manual mode and enter into the menu here at the wrench icon, on the second page I have control ring options. It is set to exposure compensation. Back, press the left arrow. So the control ring should modify the exposure. The control ring should modify the exposure. Menu to exit. Start video recording. And if I rotate the ring, the image is not modified. It's not getting darker or brighter. So how to fix that problem? Stop video recording. Press the menu button. And here on the first icon, exposure mode is set to M, that is manual. Enter there to exposure mode, set it to aperture priority auto, go up. Accept it with the OK button, exit with the menu button, start the video recording, and now if I rotate the ring, the exposure got brighter with +2. Rotate the ring to the opposite direction, exposure got darker with -2. If I go back to the menu, exposure mode, set it to manual, out from here using the menu key, start video recording. Now the ring is not usable, but since both of them are green, then that means that the top one is modifying the left one, that is the shutter speed. And the right one is modified by this ring. That is the f-stop, how much light is entering into the camera. So the exposure mode, if it's set to manual, then you can use this and that to adjust the brightness of the image. And if it's set to auto, aperture priority auto, then you can adjust the brightness using the ring.